Hi, so in this tutorial I'm going to be showing how to make an outer space type background for the A side, in which we're going to be putting an image of a hand holding a light bulb. We're going to do that part with stencils, but for the background, instead of just having a flat, black background, we want to put in a little bit of color, some stars. I'm going to be doing a nebula, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first thing I'm going to do is just make the background a little bit more colorful. So I'm going to take a navy blue here. Background, and now we can do our nebula. Gonna start with some white and then make some colors, grade 8 over it, and then take a piece of paper from a magazine, and I'm going to kind of blend the colors together. Then I'm going to take some black and kind of round out the edges, make it a little bit more blended in. Okay, so we got a basic nebula over here. The next thing is to do some stars, and to do little stars, usually take some white spray paint and put it in my fingers and then flick. Bigger stars, I've made a template with a little hole in there, and you just hold it a little bit further away from the substrate, you can get kind of a blurry boundary there. And you can get that effect with different size holes as well. We can also do some shooting stars. And I just took a piece of paper, folded it in half. It looks like I got some drips here from doing the stars, so I'm just going to cover that with some black. on the mural, I imagine that the hand and the light bulb are going to go kind of in this area here. And we can put constellations kind of over in this area, down here, and down here. And then there's going to be gray clouds at the bottom with traces, electrical traces going across. And that's what kind of connects the entire mural. So I'm going to go ahead and do some gray clouds here. Okay, so then there's electrical traces, and the next part will be using a stencil and putting in the hand and light bulb.